Okay. Whoa. Okay, what do we want to say to Auntie Nessa?
Hi, Auntie Nessa. Adada.
Adada. Okay, hold on. Let's do the video. What are you going to show Auntie Nessa?
How are you?
Oh, how are you? That's nice. And what do you want to show her? What's on your arm?
Tattoo.
What is it on your... What sort of tattoo?
A football Chelsea tattoo.
A Chelsea tattoo. And what's your favourite team, Oliver?
Blue.
Blue?
And who's blue? Oliver?
Chelsea.
Is that your favourite team, Oliver?
Yeah, that's my favorite team.
Big kiss for Auntie Nessa? Ah. What else do you want to say to Auntie Nessa?
I was pooping.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay, did you want to say I miss you?
I miss you.
Say come see me again soon.
Come see me again soon.
I'm
Bye
playing
bye.
good job train.
Bye.
Oliver, I'm playing good job train.
Phoebe, what are you doing? Phoebe, come here and show me your tattoo. Phoebe, come here. Where's your Where's your tattoo, Phoebe? Where's your tattoo?
Phoebe, show mummy your tattoo.
Where's your tattoo? Where is it? What is it?
Dada.
What is it? Is it footballs? Phoebe, you say Auntie Nessa?
Dada.
Oh. Okay, you're going to say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
She's waving.
Bye-bye. Oliver, you say bye-bye, Auntie Nessa?
Bye, Auntie Nessa. See you next time.
See you next time.